Was there religion in your house at all?
I was brought up Christian, but it wasn't like a super strict religious household. My mum was really open with me about sex and math. She gave me a copy of the Height Report. It basically surveyed women on their experiences and on masturbation and how they masturbate. She actually asked me, like, do you know how to masturbate? Are you
What age?
I want to say it was around 14. And so she gave me this book.
Was she very involved when you were like going through puberty and having your period and stuff?
Yes. When I had a boyfriend, she knew that this was probably going to be the one that I lost my virginity to. So even before like that happened, she was like, you know, if you want to have sex, like, let's talk. I'll give you some condoms. And then when I lost my virginity, she gave me like a losing your virginity present. She bought me some.
Oh,
So,
my
yeah,
goodness.
my mom was great.
Turned down for what, Mama White?